It means that we start with a very, very strong product, a strong framework. We use aluminum components. When people hear ultralight, they may think that something has been left out to get down to a certain weight. That's not the case at all. We use Norco NXG frame, which is a high tensile strength steel. We use aluminum framework that's all welded together. We use Banach wood, which is a very strong hardwood, but it's lightweight and virtually knotless, so it's really easy to work with. We use an 1.5 inch sidewall, which allows us to be a little bit lighter than some of our competitors, but all of the products are very strong. Our ultralight RVs are designed for people that just want to go camping with their family, a handful of weekends of the year, or maybe a couple of week-long trips, but they don't want to have to go out and buy a brand new tow vehicle. There are a lot of mid-size SUVs out there. The SUV and the mid-size SUV has kind of replaced the station wagon as one of the cars that almost every family has something similar to that. So many families already have the proper tow vehicle to go camping. You know, people just want to go camping without having to break the budget. The Keystone Passport uses the Norco BAL NXG frame. It's very lightweight, it's high tensile strength steel, low alloy. What that means is it can be a thinner gauge steel, but yet stronger than a traditional I-beam. Here at Keystone, we use the ACCU-SLIDE system. We use it because it's heavy duty, it's very lightweight and reliable. We have chosen the motorized step because it's what people demand from our fifth wheel segment. We use this step because it's extremely safe and secure. At Keystone, with our ultralight segment, you're going to have all the features that you need to go camping. You are not going to have to make any sacrifices when going to camp with your Keystone ultralight.